Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. In today's video, I got a 15-minute trading strategy. I'll be using it on the Euro US dollar trading pair, but it's good for Forex, crypto, stocks, and indices. Also, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how to set up alerts so that you can get notified every time you can take a trade using this strategy. So we're going to make sure that we have the regular candles activated. Let's go to indicators. The very first indicator that we will be using is the AAFli. We're going to go on down to settings, go to inputs, and we're going to change the period to 200. The next indicator that we'll be using is the Stochastic Histogram. Go to settings. We're going to change the length to 28, and the smoothing candle is going to be 10. Also go to style. We can uncheck the plot line. We're going to make sure that the first one is green and the second color is red. So the AAFli indicator is going to be our main indicator. We're just going to sit here and we're going to wait for a sell position to occur. After that, we're going to make sure that the histogram is in the red. After that occurs, we can take our short position. We wait for the candle to close and we're going to open the trade right here. The risk reward ratio of 1 to a 1.5. We have a winning trade. As you can see with some of these positions, we have a misprint on the AAFli indicator. So we're going to add our third indicator so that we can increase the accuracy using this strategy. The third indicator that we'll be using is the SSL Hybrid. Go over to settings. We're going to go to inputs. We're going to change the SSL1 baseline type to the Heijin version 2. We're also going to change the length to 200. We're going to go to style. After this, we're going to uncheck everything except for the MA baseline. So this is how your chart should appear. Also, if you guys found value out of today's video so far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would smash the like button. It's really helped me grow here on YouTube. So for the strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for our buy signal to appear and make sure that the histogram is in the green. And if the price action is closing above the SSL hybrid and it's in the blue, we can take our long position. We're going to set our stop loss down below the most recent swing low position. And with the risk reward ratio of 1.5, we hit our first profit target. Scrolling back a little bit, again, we have another long position right here. We have a buy indicator appearing. The histogram is in the green, and we can see the price action is closing above the SSL hybrid. So we're going to wait for the candle to close, open it right here, set the stop loss a few points down below the most recent swing low position. And again, with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we easily hit our profit target. So for the short position, we're going to wait for the complete opposite. We're going to wait for the price action to close below the line. The line has to be red, and we're going to wait for our sell position to appear. Once that occurs, we're going to check the histogram and make sure that it too is red. After all these have occurred, we can take our short position. This trade did take some time to occur, but as you can see with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we hit our first short position. Again, we can see all the conditions are met. Price action below the line, a sell signal has occurred, and we can see histogram is in the red. And we have another winning short position. Something to watch out for this strategy is price consolidation. If you see consolidation too long for a period of time, I would consider trading a different asset. Also, you want to watch out for the doji candles with really long wicks. This represents high volatility in the price action. You don't want to risk losing a trade. So for setting up alerts using this trading strategy, we're going to go down here. We're going to right click add alert on AAFli. Make sure it says once per bar close. We're going to set up two alerts. I'm going to make sure we're going to set up one alert for buy and the other one will be for sell. That way, whenever a buy or sell signal appears on this indicator, you'll be alerted to whatever device you use. The strategy also works quite well on higher time frames, such as the 1 hour. I would encourage you to try it out to your preference. I normally stick to the intraday 15-minute or 5-minute trading strategies. You also want to always be sure to use proper risk management. Never forget to set your stop loss and always risk a certain balance amount when opening your trade, such as risking only 1 to 2% per trade. Trade smart, trade good, and I'll see you guys in the next video.